Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to do a Halloween look. So I don't do a lot of these usually every year. I don't do a lot of Halloween looks. I'm usually pretty timid to do them. So I thought, you know, why not try it this year? See what happens. See how it goes. Why not? If it doesn't go well, I probably won't put it up. So we shall see how it goes. So if you're interested, I'm doing a jack-o'-lantern look today. And probably next week or the week, probably in a couple of weeks, I'm going to try a Maleficent look. So we are going to work on that. And yeah, during makeup clubs that we have on either mine or C's or Christine's channel, we are trying makeup looks. I tried a clown look. I wasn't really happy with how that turned out, but I don't know. I'm just not the best at working outside of the box, but I want to try. I really do want to try. So I've kind of got this look mapped out. If you want to see what it's gonna look like, because I really want to see what it looks like, then stay tuned because we're getting right into it. Okay, I've cleaned off my makeup that I had on previously. I have moisturized my face. I've primed my face. I've primed my eyes because yes, I'm not going to be like putting, I have this palette here where I do have orange makeup. I'm not going to be putting orange all over my face and just doing the traditional jack-o'-lantern. What I'm going to be doing, I might be using the black out of here for the mouth, or I guess there's two blacks in here, but I might be using some of that for the mouth. But what I'm going to be doing is an eye look and using some orange, and then I'm going to be putting on makeup, and then using this palette here, the Frosted Flakes palette, because it has some orange eyeshadow and it has black in it. So I'm going to be pulling mostly from this palette here to make the look, and using some eyeliner and stuff. So first of all, I'm going to work on the eye look. So we're going to start there. So I'm using the Frosted Flakes, and I'm going to be starting with this color called So Tasty. And I'm going to try a halo. I don't do halo eyes that often, but I'm going to start with the halo eye, and I'll work this here. I just want to show you that, and I'm going to use lashes too. Wow. I'll try to do those off camera. So we're not here all day. This might be a longer of a video. It just depends on, editing and all that. So, yeah, tell me what you do in the comments for Halloween. Do you dress up, or have you done any Halloween looks this year, or are you going to? Do you have a YouTube channel? Do you plan on doing any Hollywood Halloween looks for the season? We will deepen this up. To get. I saw this eye look on Instagram and wanted to do it. Okay, then we're gonna go in with this darker color called Crunchy. I think Chunky. What does that say? Crunchy. Okay, we're gonna get deeper orange here. Now we're just starting out here. We're gonna be using that black soon here. And then let me get that. Let me get that butterfly. I'm gonna be using this to color a lot of my face. This butterfly here as a blush. So I wanna go ahead and get that out. And I am gonna be using highlighter too. So we are gonna have kind of a editorial looking pumpkin, not a straight up looking jack-o'-lantern. Okay, let's put in some of that black. And we want to make a halo look, so we're putting some black in here. And some black out here. But where did that brush go? Well, let me put this in here. Let's blend this black out a little bit. And make this a pretty nice smoky pumpkin look. We want this black in here. It's gonna be a little messy. It's gonna be messy before it's gonna get worse before it gets better. So just believe in that process thing that they say, trust in the process kind of thing. Okay, now we're gonna take this shade. Do I wanna take Yumminess or Tiger Paw? Well, first we'll take Tiger Paw. And we'll put it in the center here. We'll put it in the center. Of the lid to create that halo effect. That we've got going on here. And then we'll take a bit of Yumminess and tap it in the middle. Yes, that's what we need there. Okay, so here we have the eyes. Let me clean it up. Let me put on some eyeliner. Clean it up. Let me put on the lashes. And then maybe it'll look a little better. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, here we go with the eyes. These are what the eyes look like so far. I know. We probably need some more orange up here. So let's put some more orange up here. Up here. We will get a little bit of highlighter up there too. So we've got this going on, and now I'm going to go put on my base face. I am going to contour a little bit, and then I am going to make my eyebrows a bit darker too. And yeah, and then we will work on the lines, and then the nose, and then the mouth. Okay, how does that sound? We're gonna make a big old mouth. Okay. Alright, I will be right back. Okay, I've got my base and contour on. I thought I would come back on and do the blush together, so we can kind of put orange all over the face. Kind of just a wash of orange. This is kind of a shimmery blush. This is the Butterfly, the Wonderful Blush by Benefit. So we will have kind of a wash of the color orange instead of being completely orange. Like I said, just doing a glam kind of kind of jack-o'-lantern. So we have that there. Maybe a little bit more on the cheeky cheeks. Blend that in a little bit. Let's do a little bit. I don't have an orange. No, I don't think I have an orange highlighter. I'm just going to use this Give highlighter. That's not the highlighter. Just to give us a little bit of shine. Oh, I'm using the wrong brush. That's why we're not shining. Just a shiny pumpkin. Just shiny. Let's finish the eyes up first before we go anywhere else. I just want to... I don't want to do much, but I do want to darken up the eyes. Because we do want this Glam pumpkin to have the dark eyes. Is that too much? Did we go too far? I don't think so, because we're going to be doing the mouth and the nose. But we do want something in the center of the eye there. Something bright. As always, you know I love a good inner corner highlight. Okay, we're gonna have to zip this up. Because we didn't do my neck. Because I'm looking a little orange. Okay, what do we move on to next? Do we do the lines down the face? I think we should. Because I'm not looking like a pumpkin yet. I'm just looking like someone with an orange face. Now let's see if we can buff these out a little bit. Okay, they're a little bit less harsh now, the lines, but we've got them. We've got them down. We've got the pumpkin lines down. Okay. Okay, so now let's draw a nose. Okay, what are we gonna use to draw the nose? Are we gonna use an eyeliner? Let's use an eyeliner. Okay, we have that. So let's fill it in with some black. And let's try to soften it up some with some orange. Soften up around the lines with some orange. I really didn't have the nose. Really didn't have a lot of ideas for the nose. So we're kind of outlining the nose with some orange. Where's some mascara? I want to put some mascara in my eyebrows. That's why I want to make it dark. Now, for the mouth. Do I want to use the eyeliner again? Okay, so I have this for the mouth. How do I really want to fill it in? I do have this NYX butter gloss. But is it good at filling in? I don't think so. Okay, so I've got this black paint makeup, and I can fill in the mouth with this. Okay, and I'm using this NYX butter gloss and licorice on my lips right here. Okay, and here is my pumpkin, my jack-o'-lantern look for Halloween. Let me know what you think. Please leave your thoughts and comments down below. Thoughts and opinions down below in the comments section. I would love to know what you think. If you think I did a good job, if you would have done something differently, anything like that. Like I said, this is the first time I've done anything like this. So, you know, I'm not perfect. I'm not perfect at doing Halloween makeup, so this is my first time I've ever done a pumpkin, okay, a jack-o'-lantern. So, okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope this maybe gave you some kind of ideas for what you want to do for Halloween, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Okay, goodbye.